Hi there. Are you stuck in some just kind of negative energy, or you just want to get some yayas out and move them along and get back to a happy place? Well, stick around. In this video, I'm going to give you a really neat laughter yoga training exercise that you can do easily, effortlessly, and have some fun with it and bring in some good energy into you and let go of the stuff that is not serving you and let go of that negative energy. So let's begin. I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla, and I do health, humor, and hooping, and holistic living, and all kinds of fun stuff. So, hula hooping, that is. Alrighty. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to start in a nice posture. So, we're going to start nice and raised up, and we're going to take a nice deep breath in. And as we bring this in, we're going to bring in some good energy. We're going to bring in what we do want, and we're going to let go of what we don't want. So as we exhale, we're going to release it out, and we're going to literally brush it off. So ha 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 ha, and laugh it out. And then inhale it in, good energy in, and then laugh and brush it out. Ha 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 ha. And then inhale it in that good energy, and exhale out what you don't want. Release it out. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale it in. Good stuff. All the other stuff. And inhale in good stuff. And then exhale it out, all the other stuff. You can do that as many times as you want. At the end of laughter yoga exercises, what we do is we put our hands together, and this activates all the acupressure points on the hands. It makes you a little extra boost of happiness energy level. And we go, very good, yay. We do that twice. Very good, yay. You can do that as many times as you want as well. So I thank you so much for enjoying this video. Hit the thumbs up, the like, subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the bell's notification on so you can be notified of new cool things, whether they be just for fun videos, tutorials, laughter yoga, hula hooping, and all the other kind of good stuff. So healthy eating, holistic tips. All right. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Shay Rippinger of Hip the Hoopla. Rock on. Peace out. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.